Welcome Year 10 to our sixth virtual assembly. We're going to have a very short assembly today. It's just going to have some notices that are very important leading up into half term. Um, so do have a look through the whole assembly and listen to all the notices as they come up. First of all, as we've reached our half term, we normally always have a celebration assembly. Now, through virtual aspects, it's really hard to tell who's working as hard as other people. And I'm sure all of you at home are doing a really fantastic job of working as hard as you can and doing everything you can in your live lessons. What I wanted to reward immediately was our student submissions. So I've had a look on Show My Homework, and over the last 3 weeks, I've picked two students from each form that have submitted the most amount of work. And this is obviously really difficult to do during lockdown. So I thought these guys really deserved a big mention. So from 10F, we have Amber and Manit. From 10O, we have Bola and Yusra. In 10R, we have Noman and Renisa, and in 10E we have Arnath and Ryan. Guys, this is amazing because you managed to get so much work submitted to your teachers that allows you to get feedback, gets response, and enables you to progress more in your lessons. Everyone else, I know you are working hard and you are submitting as much work as you can. Obviously, the more you submit, the more feedback you get from teachers, the better support you get in your lessons. Okay, so let's make sure that we're continuing to submit as much work as we can, either on Show My Homework or on Microsoft Teams. Guys, for your names that are on the board at the moment, we will be sending home some reward prizes for you. This week, I also received an email for special mentions for two students in drama. So I wanted to make sure that you guys really knew how hard you're working and that your teachers knew that they thought you were working as well. So they wanted to actually tell me how well you've been doing this year. So we've got George Thompson for his improved efforts this year in his written work. He is listening to feedback and using it. He also got the highest mark in the quiz this week. George, that is brilliant. Hearing this sort of stuff teachers is amazing, and I love to hear it to know that you're doing well in classes. And again, Amber, for always submitting high quality work. So not only are you submitting loads of work, Amber, you're submitting high quality work, which is really amazing as well. So well done. Again, we'll send prizes home for this. One of the notices we need to talk about today, guys, is this new app called EDULINK. Now, what this does, and it's not for students to have or need to have at home at the moment, it is just for teachers. This allows us to register you now, like we would do in school on Sims, but from a virtual location. Okay, so we now have online registers. It's directly connected to Sims. So if you're attending a live lesson, the teacher will be updating your register as you go along. Obviously, if you're not attending a live lesson, it will show up as an end code that you was not part of the lesson. That report is going to get generated weekly and daily, and it's going to be sent to me, which means I then have to call home to parents to students that are not obviously attending lessons. As a reminder, our attendance to lessons should be mandatory. As though we were at school, we should be doing 5 lessons a day, 25 lessons a week, and we should be making sure that we submit work for all of them lessons as we go along. Okay, so this is a really effective way of monitoring your attendance. And obviously, we're going to be focusing on students that are not attending lessons. So please make sure that you're attending all of your live lessons, you're doing all of your pre recorded lessons. And if you can't, then follow the school protocol of calling the main reception in the morning, letting them know if you're ill or sick and can't attend a lesson so that we can note it down on the register like we would do on a normal day. Another notice is that you will start to see that you will receive spring progress reports. Now, there's a few changes with this in that our colours have changed. So, where red previously meant you were below target, red now actually means you are above track and you are red hot. Okay, so it's in line with our sixth form colours. So red is now above track and you are red hot. Grey is on track and blue is below track. All right, so these report cards are really important. It's going to let you know how you're doing currently in your lessons. And obviously it's going to tell you what you need to do to improve, or what lessons, sorry, you need to improve at. So we should really make sure that 100% we are attending all of these lessons that we need to improve on. The good news for you guys is that next week is half term. Now, the reason I want to speak about this is because you have had 6 to 7 weeks of intense working at a computer. What I want to say to you is during half term, step away from the computer. You don't need to do any additional work. You don't need to catch up on things. You just need to take time for yourselves to relax. You've done way too much of online learning, and you need to a bit more time of just being a kid, and you need to be at home having fun with your family and just chilling out and taking that time to relax. Okay, so just use this time, use next week, um, to really focus on yourself, focus on your mental health as well as your physical health. We have set up a challenge for you on Show My Homework for, well, to help you improve your physical health if you want to. This is an optional challenge. You do not have to do it. Um, and it's called the Earn Your Kilometers Challenge. So all of this information is on Show My Homework. There are certain destinations that you can run to or walk to or exercise to, and it will all be explained on there to be able to reach certain kilometers. So it might say London, 40 kilometers, then it'll give you a list of exercises that you could do to reach London as though you were actually traveling to it. Now, what we're aiming for in this challenge is trying to find the student that can do the furthest distance. Again, this is all on Show My Homework. It's all completely optional. It's just so that during half term we can continue to focus on our physical health, and we know that if we improve our physical health, that our mental health also improves as well. So it's just a little challenge for you guys to do at home if you want to. This week we've got some messages from form tutors leading up into half term. So Miss Campbell Thomas has said, guys, continue to engage with the lessons and try your best. Get some rest over the half term and come back vibrant and ready to take on the world. Be safe, be strong. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon. Very nice words there. Obviously, you guys haven't seen Miss Musa for a while, so she's I've really missed you lot. I look forward to seeing you all soon and having a good catch up. I'm really proud of the way you've handled these immense changes in your studies. Keep up the fantastic work and try and at least enjoy your lockdown half term break. Keep safe. So again, really nice words there from Miss Musa, who's really looking forward to seeing you. And for you who don't know, you'll be sharing, or Tenno will be sharing that form class with Mr. Durant, who is new to our team this year. So he's wrote, I'm excited to get to know everyone. I hope you guys are coping well with lockdown, and I wish you all the best of luck studying in with these challenging times. As a reminder, if you are struggling, even over half term, you have form tutors, you have myself. Come and speak to us. We are still going to be available to check in and make sure that you're okay. If you need anything, then just let us know. As as a final reminder, work hard leading up to half term. Enjoy your half term. Really step away from the computer. Have a nice break. Spend it with family and friends within your household or within your bubble. Um, Hopefully we'll have some news sooner when we're going to return to school. But if not, when we return after half term, we will be on a week 2. Just continue working as hard as you can do. Make sure you're attending all of your live lessons. And as always, if you need any help, just email me at j.stafford@theforestacademy.co.uk. Be safe, look after yourselves, and see you later.